masyadong sasakyan, ano, sarado kasi karamihan eh. Four Seasons Drive. Excalibur, MGM ito, Luxor. Tropicana wala na, biniba na. Nasabog na yung Tropicana. Boulevard at Tropicana Avenue. Nandito yung Excalibur, MGM at New York Hotel. New York and Excalibur.
I want to go on that roller coaster.
Hindi ko pa ba nakasakay dyan?
The drops are so deep.
Hindi, mababa lang yan.
I've never been on a roller coaster, you know?
Really? Hindi yan, di ba sinakay ko ng bata sa Knott's Berry? Traffic pa rin, ano? Kahit na
crash on a 2024 Lexus RZ with qualifying noise.
singit ka na. traffic pa rin.
Alam mo yung mga restaurant kasi yata bukas.
Oil naman yata. Hindi, ito mga mall sarado eh.
Pero yung mga restaurant
Mga tindahan. Pero yung mall mismo bukas eh. Pero yung mga
ay, yung Louis Vuitton
tindahan
yung bukas,
sarado.
oh.
Alam, may event yata sa Bellagio. Ang dami papuntang Bellagio.
Kasi kahit yung mga show yata open din.
Ang dami papunta sa Bellagio. Siguro may event. Ayun. Ang haba ng pila dyan. Ito pala sa Planet Hollywood. Planet Hollywood. Ay, yung ano, yung F1 pala, kaya nag-traffic ang ginagawa nila yung
Siya tanggal
race
na.
track. Hindi ginagawa, ayun o.
Hindi, tapos na yung ano eh.
Tapos na ba?
Hindi pa ba tapos yun? Hindi ba isang beses lang?
ano pa oh.
Last Saturday.
Ganun ba? Wala na?
Ewan ko, isang beses lang ba yun,
Hindi
Kiers?
ko alam. Kaya pala.
Yung mga restaurant bukas. Oh.
So, ito yung Bellagio. Kaya medyo traffic. Ito yung formula race na mga structure nandiyan pa rin. Horseshoe. Ayun ang Paris. Kaya kita niyo ba yun? Kita niyo ba yun? Yan. Screensaver lang. Lasing yata ito eh. Kanina pa to gigewang.
Like here.
Hmm?
Oh, never mind.
Diba?
Switch lanes just to switch back.
Words lock. Dito yung mga ito na yung end ng Street Louis. Ano na yan? Dito yung ano, yung Pons mga to, tawid ng ano. Kung masasagasaan kayo, wala pa naman kayong ilaw. Yan, Little White Chapel. Yan, pinakasikat na wedding chapel dito, no? Diyan kinasal yata si Britney Spears, di ba? Tapos divorce the following day. Yun ba yun? Yan, mga wedding chapel, mga drive-thru pa yan. Fun City.
Alam mo, tingin ko yung outlet bukas na.
Daan natin. Ay. Ayan yung Pawn Star. Ayan, yung nasa palabas na Pawn Star, ito yun. Ayan, sila Chumley, sila Rick Harrison. Ayan, Pawn Star sa may Las Vegas Boulevard and Garces Avenue.
Maybe that's not right. Here's this. Did you see this? May bago na ng hospital bubuksan sa Henderson.
Sarado rin yung ano yung Fremont. Walang ilaw.
West Henderson Hospital, New West Hospital, 150 beds. Ano may-ari nito?
Ganda yan. Ano may-ari? Valley Health System. Ayan ang famous Hotel California. Ayan o. Ayan, famous Hotel California. Yan ang famous Hotel California dito sa may downtown Las Vegas. Tapos yun naman yung Main Street. Ayun. Main Street Station. Ayan. Circa daming ilaw ano. Yan, circa yan. Ito yung Hotel California. Ayan o. Welcome to the Hotel California. Go.
Pang 450 bed capacity.
Basta.
Grabe yan.
Ito yung Fremont Street. Kaso walang ilaw ngayon. Meron. Ayan, dadaanan natin Fremont Street. Meron siyang ilaw. Ayun. Ayun. Ayan. Ayan, ito yung downtown. Ayun. Yan yung downtown. Pagkano lakad-lakad ka rito, marami kang makikita. Bonneville. So labas natin ito sa may premium outlet dito sa may Charleston. Kasi ito nga pala nagka-award yata itong building na to, best architecture eh. Ayan, ganda no?
Cleveland, Ohio.
World Market. Grand Central. Ito pala yung outlet, sarado pa nga. Ito yung outlet, ayan. Las Vegas Premium Outlet, sarado pa. Thanksgiving night, sarado sila. Baka mamaya magbukas siya.
Pass.
It's crazy. What the heck? If you get hit by a Rolls Royce, you're the same.
Oh, your lucky day. Because I'm sure they have a good insurance, so they can replace our car.
Mabubukas kaya.
Kaya dapat nakasarado, may harang. Because the last time your mom got hit, remember, the guy has no insurance, so your mom ended up paying.
Wow.
Stupid drivers.
A Bentley. Does our neighbor have that car?
Yeah, before
No.
the previous neighbor. Oh, look at that car. Oh. Ganda. Oh.
Is Bentley a Rolls Royce?
Is that a Bentley?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was a Rolls Royce. But they're the same, yeah. Ano, parehong mahal. So, daming ginagawa na kalsada. So, Alta to, Alta, at saka papunta tayo sa Alta and Rancho. Heading west towards Rancho.
It's your office.
So we're heading south of Rancho towards Charleston. Uy, pulis. Uy, ang bilis ng patakbo nito ah. Titikitan kita, pulis. Speeding si pulis ah, nagmamadali. He wanted to eat their turkey. He wanted to make it to Thanksgiving dinner. Oh.
You didn't even stop.
Dapat, Kirs, pagka ganyan, consider it a stop sign ha. Mag-stop ka rito and then
Yeah, I
yield on the
know.
oncoming traffic.
Oh my god. Want me to drive?
No, no.
Dad,
Ha?
the streets are empty right now.
No. Yes,
Yeah, you wanna drive? Okay.
Not here though, near the house.
So ito pala yung University Belt. Nandiyan dyan yung UNLV na Medicine School of Medicine. Kasi nandyan din yung UMC, no? Tsaka Valley Hospital.
I'm thirsty.
I know where we can get water.
Ha?
I know where we can get water.
Saan?
You know that place near like
Oh,
the K-pop store and
Oh.
you shop?
oh yeah.
Somewhere near there.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
That's the perfect place to get water.
So dito na tayo sa may Sahara Avenue. Liko tayo dito sa may Palace Station.
tao
is
yung
Nancy's
bus, oh.
post.
What about that? Meron siya.
Because she said that me after my pap smear and pelvic exam are normal. And then she did the dance. Wow,
Right.
amazing driver. What's wrong
Great
with you?
driver, right? Mamaya maglalabasan yung mga tao pagka shopping time na. Anong oras pa start ng ng Black Friday shopping? Baka midnight pa lang magbukas na yan, ba? Ay, dapat nag-segway pala tayo, Kiers.
It's cool.
Strip.
Sa dasaan pa kanina.
And there's crackheads there.
Yeah. Mga F1. Oo nga, parang na kami PTSD. Parang pag may katabi ako, parang kung babanggain yung pakiramdam ko.
Chinatown dito sa may Spring Mountain and Wind hanggang doon sa Decatur yan. Ayan, Koreatown and Chinatown.
K-barbecue $10.
Bukas ba yung Pokemon? Pokemon bukas oh. Hindi talaga nagsasara ang mga in-check.
Dad, $10 K-barbecue.
You want
Alam.
to play barbecue?
Nope.
Save pa nga ako.
$10 per what? Per meal?
Korea bukas.
Of course. Kaya ito nila, Bradral. Ha?
Just screenshot it, don't share it. I didn't give you guys access.
Copyright tayo. Asa ng ustisya? Real justice daw. Asa ng ustisya pag wala kang buhok?
He's not gonna post that.
Wala pa naman siyang ilaw. Oh. Sana may mag-post ano.
We're gonna watch. Oh. Look how good my hair looked.
Ala, konting bilis.
Oh my god, you've read my mind, Dad. How did you know that I wanted to eat here?
Daming turista
Five
siguro. Kaya nga daming 15-seater.
Today's a good day to think.
Okay. I
Is
feel
it
like
even
eating seafood today.
Really? You're just like me.
Dito na tayo mag-park. Okay. Bukas pala sila oh. In check. Okay, so guys, kain muna tayo dito sa Pier 88 Boiling Seafood. Dahil ang ating dalagitang anak nagke-crave ng crabs, tsaka crawfish, tsaka lobster daw. Sige,
But mainly-
bye.